just received here is this really beautiful painting by Dr. Attel. The painting is in very good condition. The colours are really beautiful. It's very kind of difficult to pick up with the camera, I think, but the colours are just so soft and beautiful, and as I say, the piece is in very good condition. The work's been in one collection for decades and decades. It's from the niece of the Gallery owner Miseraci, so again the provenance is fabulous. Gallery Arte Americano have seen the painting and approved the painting. They did an appraisal many years ago on the painting. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open it up so we can better see the back of the painting, and just see what the general condition's like. So everything's going really well so far. That was a little tight, as we knew it would be, but not too tight. Now we have the painting, which is this is the back of the painting, and this is some kind of masonite, and what I'm going to do is just gently ease this out. So this is the painting, and what it is Attel colour on paper mounted onto board. What I can see here is where the paper's been mounted. The colour here is a slight discoloration from here compared to the edge. You can see that was original colour. That can probably be kind of cleaned up to get it back to where it was here, the original colour of the paper. This piece is in really fine condition, and one of the few pieces by Dr. Attel that are in the United States, because Dr. Attel is now a national treasure of Mexico, and pieces cannot leave Mexico.